Hi, are you running out of room for your entire family? Are you finding yourself very crowded at home? Well, I've got the answer here at 143 Bartonia Circle in the heart of Orleans. We've got 4 bedrooms upstairs as well as a full bedroom downstairs, 3.5 baths, and a fully fenced backyard. Perfect for the large and growing family. Hi, I'm Lana Burnley from Solid Rock Realty, and I can't wait for you to take a look at this beautiful home at 143 Bartonia Circle in the heart of Orleans.